Welcome to Meru Accounting. Are you looking for an experienced accountant who keeps your books up to date on a daily or weekly basis? For the last 7 years, we have been providing complete bookkeeping, accounting, and tax return services to various business owners and CPA firms across the United States. We have been offering complete full-fledged bookkeeping from setting up of books of accounts to year-end finalization. We have worked with migration as well as backlog accounting and cleanup work. We have been an elite partner with QuickBooks and a gold champion partner with Xero. We have been using lots of other softwares, all of the above which are mentioned on the screen. We have worked with lots of add-ons for table processing as well as with lots of payment gateways like PayPal, Square, Stripe, and many others. We have worked with lots of e-commerce based businesses like Amazon, eBay, and many others. We can help you to implement the correct policies for each and every business. We have great experience working with all types of industries. We have listed a few of them here. We have our own work methodology, in which we would be having particular cloud storage for exchanging all the documents like Google Drive, Dropbox, or whatever is convenient for you. We would request various bank statement check stubs and payroll reports which you can upload directly to the cloud. So once the information is received, we would be processing that in the accounting software of your choice. Once the work is done, we'll give you a complete report about what work has been done and what information we need from you. We will be giving you a monthly management report too, so that the business owner can stay on top of the financials. If you are having a CPA who is working in the U.S. for you to prepare your tax return, we will liaise with them for complete bookkeeping and complete tax return finalization work. We also help our business owners to prepare tax returns. We've been preparing hundreds of tax returns every year. We are associated with a CPA in the USA for finalizing and filing the tax return with IRS. Our emails would be in a very standardized template. Generally, we try to reply to all emails within 24 hours. We have our task management software named ActiveCollab to ensure that none of the tasks is missed out. We collect all the information from you by providing you with a Google form to collect all the information about your business. Once the information is received, we will create recurring tasks in our project management system which gets repeated on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis, depending upon your scope of work. We have a checklist that comes with each and every task in our project management system. We customize this as per the client's business requirements. You can see here with the awards and certificates we have received. As mentioned earlier, we are a gold champion partner with Xero and we have been using this for many years. We are also QuickBooks certified pro advisors. We will have a very customized start of accounts for your business, and if it's already set up, we may give you some suggestions so that after you upload, we can update that. You can see the detailed level chart of accounts to ensure that the expenses are recorded in the correct expense buckets whenever the work is completed. We'll give you a monthly management report and we'll discuss it on a month-to-month basis. We can give you the quarterly tax estimates for your business. We can also help you with budgeting and forecasting through Excel after doing a consultation with the business owner. We can set up a profit-first system for your business where the money coming in would be divided into various buckets. Over a period of time, we have invested a lot in data security and made sure confidentiality is maintained. As you can see, like we have a firewall CCTV biometric system and no one can use any external drive. We also sign a non-disclosure agreement with our team members as well to make sure we provide you with the utmost security and authentication. Here are some of the client testimonials. You can see our testimonials on Trustpilot as well as on Google. Customer delivery of error-free work is a high priority and we ensure we have a proper process in place to ensure we can serve the customers in the best manner. This would be the success team, that would be seen. Your accounts officer and second would be accounts reviewer, that is the senior account officer, and the accounts reviewer would be working as a backup person. So whenever we start there would be 2 people working. If any of the team members are not available, due to any reasons, there would be a second person present to take over the work. This way we ensure that none of the work is suffered. Contact us now via any of these channels. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.